Good morning, everyone. Today we will revise chapter number 12, Reproduction in Plants. Reproduction means when any organisms give birth or produce the young ones of their own kind. So here we will discuss the text questions of that chapter, and there is one of the question for you. Modes of asexual reproduction. What are the different modes of asexual reproduction? When we talking about reproduction, reproduction is of two types. Yes, reproduction is of two types. Sexual reproduction as well as asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means when a new plant will grow with the help of the seeds. Yes. And asexual reproduction means when we grow a new plant without the help of a seed. So there are different modes, different types of asexual reproduction. The first is vegetative propagation. The next is budding. The third one is fragmentation, and the fourth method of asexual reproduction is spore formation. So let us discuss one by one. The first mode of asexual reproduction is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means when a new plant grows with the help of the leaf of a plant, with the help of the stem of a plant, with the help of the roots of a plant, or you can say with the help of the different parts of a plant, and that's why it is known as vegetative propagation. For example, a new plant of rose we can grow with the help of the stem. Yes, with the help of the stem we can grow a new rose plant. In the same way, with the help of the bud or with the help of the eye, we can grow a new plant of potato. With the help of the stem, we can grow a new plant of ginger. In the same way, bryophyllum can give rise a new plant with the help of the leaves. There are margins on the sides of the leaves. From these margins, new plant can be grown up. In the same way, sweet potato and money plant. Sweet potato, we can grow the sweet potato from the roots of the plant. And money plant, we can grow with the help of the stem. So these are the different examples of the plants which can do the process of reproduction with the help of their parts, like the stem, like the roots, and like the leaves. Now, the next process of asexual, the next way of asexual reproduction is budding, just like in the yeast. But what are the buds? Buds are the small bulb-like projections. These are the small bulb-like projections. These projections grown up and get detached from their parent body, and each projection give rise to a new organism. So in that way is doing the process of multiplication. Now the next one is fragmentation. Fragmentation, like in your algae. Fragmentation means the body of the algae is divided into two or more than two fragments, and each fragment behaves like an individual organisms. Okay, so algae reproduce through the process of fragmentation, and your yeast reproduce through the process of budding. Now the last one for the asexual reproduction is the spore formation. Spores are the asexual bodies that are covered with a outer cover. There is a outer covering on that spores to protect them from unfavorable conditions, and when the conditions favorable, then they starts growing up. It is mostly like in the fungi, and you can easily see this spore formation on a piece of bread. So different modes of asexual reproduction are vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, and spore formation.